Hi, I'm Sandata, yet Villarreal Jr. Welcome to Video Assisted Instruction, IT Social and Professional Issues series. Today we are on our lecture number 5. Let's proceed to our topic for today. So our topics are considered to be miniaturized and multifunctional machine. Under this, we have subtopics: miniaturization history, miniaturization development, and multifunctional machines. Now, in the history of miniaturization is the same as the history of information technology, based on the succession of switching devices called transistor, and the second is integrated circuit. In figure 26 shows the image of transistor and integrated circuit, a starting point of miniaturization. Miniaturization, an inspiration by Richard Feynman. This field is miniaturization. Feynman actually coined the term miniaturization in the science and technology for our time, and he laid the cornerstone for what we are building on what we call nanotechnology today. This happened more than 40 years ago. In figure 27 shows the image of nanotechnology devices such as microchips. So we're finished now with miniaturization. Now let's proceed to the history and development. Miniaturization became a trend in the last 50 years and came to cover not just electronic but also mechanical devices. In figure 28 shows the image mechanical devices that are multifunctional. The focus is to make components smaller to increase the number that can be integrated into a single wafer. This required critical innovation, which include increased wafer size, the development of sophisticated metal connections between the chip's circuits, and improvement in the polymers used for mass photoresist in the photolithography processes. In figure 29 shows the image of a nanotechnology, also as miniaturized single wafer. Now let's move on to multifunction machines. Multifunctional devices or multifunctional machines is a machine that can print, copy, and scan. These devices have faster print speeds and allow additional functionalities such as scan to email. A multifunctional peripheral is a device that performs a variety of functions that would otherwise be carried out by separate peripheral devices, such as printer, scanner, copier, and fax machines. Basic tasks of multifunction machine or device. It can print from computers in labs, libraries, or other public locations. It can copy video instruction or knowledge-based article. It can scan to email, allow you to scan print documents and email them to yourselves, view video instruction, or knowledge-based article. Scan to USB allows you to scan print document to a USB drive, view video instruction, or knowledge-based article. Faxing can be done from multifunction devices that includes that features. In figure 30 shows the image of multifunctional machines or device such as printer and nanotech drone. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and good luck. Congratulations, you successfully finished our lecture number 5.